That's where it came off of. Yeah, you guys, what do you think, huh? I don't know if I can freaking get it off the fence. I was thinking maybe we could roll it over and hike the fence back up.
Oh, shit. Damn it.
You're on candid camera, by the way.
Man, come on.
I know!
I'm fixing this freaking fence.
You would just put in another line of chicken wire so that it wouldn't...
Man,
You guys having fun, huh?
pardon my French, but... Man! Let me go get my gloves. Hang on a sec.
Well, I think honestly, if you just pull it back a little bit.
Let me go get my gloves.
Thick, heavy flakes, wet snow, excellent snowballs. Oh, it's just a snowball. And you'll never find it now. Whew. Yep, that's what that sound was. You're making me myself, man.
Oh, it broke it too.
Holy crap, it did, didn't it? Just so long as Ruby can't get in here, because Ruby's the one who freaking eats it until she pukes. Yeah, Ruby. At least none of the dogs were out here when it fell.
Yeah, no kidding.
Ice lightning.
Is that lightning?
Ice lightning. Yes.
Man, I'm worried about more of this crap falling in. Watch, we're gonna go in.
And boom, there's gonna be, yeah.
5 minutes later.
There's gonna be the branch that was 2 feet higher up than that branch. I know. Whee! Look at all the snow! Yeah, look at all the snow! Yes, girl! Reverse Dalmatians! Reverse Dalmatian! Ruby, are you a reverse Dalmatian? You're looking for the little flying squirrels, aren't you? Oh, there are flying squirrels up there. Hey, little flyer.
Come on.
I can't see anything. There's so much snow on the lens. Oh, Ruby.